Hey everybody, I am John Merritt from borntoproduce.com, and in this short video I'm going to show you all around our new template, which is for Cubase Elements, Artist and Pro users, including a whole load of presets that we've made for Cubase as well. So before I get into the details, please be aware that this is much more of a full sort of package for Cubase rather than just a template file on its own. So we have included demo tracks and blank templates for people who use Cubase Elements, and a separate blank template and demo track for people using Cubase Artist and Pro, so all versions are covered. This also comes with a whole load of presets for built-in Cubase plugins and a whole load of preset chains for everything from making punchier kicks to group channel mixing for things like leads, bass, sidechain groups, and loads more stuff. Oh, and there are also 6 tutorial videos which will explain how to install all the preset chains, how all the routing is set up, and explain how best to use the presets and plugin chains so that you can get the absolute best out of the template as quickly as possible. So there are a total of 51 presets for Cubase stock instruments and 27 FX plugin chains. The blank templates are set up with all of the group channel routing ready to go, so sidechain groups and group channel FX chains already in place so you can activate them as you're building your own creations. We really wanted to create a template and demo track that would be an aid to learning more about music production rather than just showcase off sort of what we could do. Although the demo track, as you can hear in the background, is sort of fully functioning with everything from sidechaining, automation, musical structure, key changes, and many more things in there, all of which is explained in the accompanying tutorial videos. So I'm going to let the demo track finish playing, and if you do have any questions about it at all, then please do email me at john@borntoproduce.com. Thanks very much for watching. See you later.